Follow the steps on how to make a brush line with text like this Illustrator. Let's start with a new document. Before that, I will insert a background image. Press Ctrl 2 to lock it. Then create a rectangle. Remove the stroke and fill it with black. Type the text. Set the font type and size. Change it to white. Select, click, and align center. Select the text and create outlines. Go to Pathfinder and click Unite. Select and group. Then go to the window and bring up brushes. Click and drag into it and select Pattern Brush. Rename it. Set it like this and click OK. Activate the brush and select the stroke color. Start making the line. Select and change the stroke weight if needed. Use the curvature tool to change the curve. You can also change the color. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.